Yeah, babe, I will. I will. No, don't worry. I won't forget. All right, love you. Bye. Whoa, Jesus! Are you?
Where am I? What is all this? I gotta get back.
Whoa, calm down, calm down. Get back where? Who are you?
I am Clyde. Clyde Milton. I gotta get back to the war.
The war? What war are you talking about?
What war? The war between the states. The war of 1861.
Okay, calm down. Hey, let's just have a seat and talk about this for a second.
And I stabbed him. And I twisted. And I kicked him. And then he died.
Damn, that's crazy. Anyway, you want another beer?
Hooey! I can't believe you still have Pabst.
Hey.
Ma'am?
Hi. Who is this?
I'm Clyde Milton. Pleasure to meet you.
So, you're not gonna believe this, but I was on the couch and there's this flash of blue light in our apartment, and Millie just appears right behind our couch. I think he's from the past.
Have you been getting high on a couch with strangers again? Is he homeless?
First, I think the term's unhoused. And secondly, the man could be a war hero.
This isn't about him. This is about you. Did you even remember to water the plants?
The plants are doing fine.
You always do this, Jared.
I literally have never done this, specifically.
I don't want to come home to this whenever I have a long day at work.
I'm sorry, Christine, I know you work really hard as a socialist, but...
I am a sociologist.
What
I
is
can't
the
remember if you
difference?
mentioned
It
this
doesn't
corrected.
matter.
It doesn't matter?
I didn't
So what I
mean
do
that.
doesn't matter
No, I
to you,
didn't
so
mean
I
that.
don't matter. I'm sick of you disrespecting me.
I respect you.
Obviously not. You don't put any care into your relationship. I may as well be that fucking plant.
Is this still about that worm thing?
I can't deal with this. You take whoever this man is,
Clyde Milton.
take Clyde Milton, get out of my house.
Come on, Millie. We're going out.
Good. Leave. I can't wait.
Whoa. You gotta change.
I like it in there. You reckon you and your lady will be alright?
I don't know, man. She seemed pretty upset. I think I really need to go apologize.
Apologize for what?
I'm not sure.
Well, I think you're a mighty fine man. She's pretty lucky to have you.
Thanks, Millie.
Welcome.
So, do you still have the patriarchy?